That sound. That's the sound of a perfect Neapolitan pizza. The leopard spotting, the airy cornition, the 60-second cook. For years, you've been told you need a $3,000 imported Italian monster in your backyard to get it. I'm here to tell you that's a lie. As a chef, I tested every major pizza oven on the market, from propane to wood to electric, against the only standard that matters, the pizzeria in Naples. The results were staggering. The #1 oven we found isn't the most expensive. It's not the most famous. And it will absolutely revolutionize pizza night at your house. One of these ovens caught on fire. You need to see this. Starting at #1. Breville Pizzaiolo Pizza Oven. Best indoor. Indoor pizza ovens are often easier and more convenient than an outdoor option. This Breville model can reach 750 degrees, the temperature required for authentic pizza. You won't get quite the same smoky flavor as a wood-fired pizza oven, but for ease and convenience, the Breville cannot be beaten. Like other smart Breville appliances, this has easy-to-use settings, so it's simple to choose frozen thin-crust pizza, deep dish, or a wood-fired style pizza. It's also possible to customize the settings to get the perfect results for any pizza style and personal preference. We successfully cooked a frozen pizza in 15 minutes using the oven's preset option and achieved fantastic results, nicely brown crust and golden brown cheese. We also successfully baked a thin margherita pizza, a pan pizza layered with cheese, and a meaty bolognese. We particularly love it for Chicago deep dish pies due to its ability to cook at lower, controlled temperatures. The pizza stone and radiant heat combination produces a slightly charred crust, while convection heat perfectly cooks the cheese and toppings. This also has separate controls for the top and bottom heating elements for custom cooking options. We officially dubbed the Breville the ideal nacho machine. It may be specialized for pizza, but the Pizzaiolo is one of the best countertop ovens because of that customizability. #2. Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 Outdoor Oven. Best portable. Want Woodfire flavor without the hassle of starting a grill with charcoal or wood? Check. Make pizzeria-level pizzas by just turning a dial? Also check. What makes Ninja Woodfire 8-in-1 Outdoor Oven truly stand out is the advanced technology, the ability to infuse smoky flavor with just a half cup of wood pellets, and the versatility that is packed inside a small but powerful appliance. Making pizza in the Ninja Woodfire could not be easier. It has preset settings for Neapolitan, thin crust, New York style, pan pizza, and frozen. You can also customize the time and temperature for your unique style of pizza. The preheating times were long but not always so. The longest is 25 minutes for Neapolitan-style pizza, which is still pretty good for an electric pizza oven. The oven bakes pizza in anything from 3 minutes for Neapolitan to 20 minutes for a frozen one. The best part of using this oven was that we didn't need to turn the pizza while it was baking, and they still cooked evenly with a blistered crust and evenly melted cheese. Cooking pizzas one after another was also quick. Up to 4 Neapolitan-style pizzas can cook back-to-back before needing a little time to get the temperature back up. To add smoke while cooking pizza, all you need to do is press the Woodfire ignition button, and it gets to work instantly. The smoky flavor is not intense, but a light, lingering taste of fire which we quite liked. #3. Onlyfire Pizza Oven Kit. Best Grill Kit. If a grill is the priority for your outdoor space, look to the Onlyfire Pizza Oven Kit. Its 14-inch cordierite pizza stone sits on top of your grill grates, while the stainless steel oven provides a perfect space for cooking pizza evenly on the top and bottom. The base is 17 inches square, so it's wise to measure your grill to make sure it'll fit, but assembly couldn't be easier. Pull it out of the box and stick it on the grill. During testing, we loved how the double-walled roof kept heat in, and the built-in thermometer was easy to read. It took us about 15 minutes to reach 690 degrees Fahrenheit at the front of the oven. This is comparatively low for a pizza oven, but we found that the stone held heat well. Our cook times were longer than hotter ovens. It took us 9 minutes to cook a supreme pizza, but the bake was consistent, and the results were tasty. But since the Onlyfire relies on the grill for its heat, the maximum temperature and cook time will depend on the power of whatever you place it on. #4. Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven. Best Multipurpose. The Cuisinart 3-in-1 Pizza Oven Plus offers versatility, portability, and performance, and it's one of the more affordable options on this list. In addition to making pizzas with the included 13-inch Cordiorite pizza stone, this Cuisinart oven functions as a grill with 260 square inches of cooking space or a griddle with 233 square inches of space. Even with all of that functionality, we were most impressed with how easy this model is to use as a pizza oven and the consistency of the final pies. In testing, it took 15 minutes to reach 600 degrees at the front of the oven. It features a nice oven-style opening with a lid that folds down, and we found it easy to turn the pizzas, which you only have to do once, halfway through cooking. This means there is minimal babysitting needed, but you'll still end up with evenly cooked cheese and a crisp crust. Number 5. Ooni Koda 12 Pizza Oven. Best Pizza Oven. We've been testing Ooni Pizza Ovens since the original one launched back in 2017. The Koda 12 is one of the brand's cheaper models, and after thorough testing at our test kitchen and an expert's home, it's our best overall choice for a variety of reasons. Most importantly, it's a sleek gas-powered pizza oven that lets you consistently make great pizza. During testing, the Koda 12 took 15 minutes to reach the recommended temperature. The manufacturer claims it takes 15 minutes to reach 950 degrees Fahrenheit, but we measured the back of the oven at just 830 degrees in that time frame. That's still plenty hot, and one of the quickest preheat times of all the pizza ovens we tried. With super high heat, this can cook plain pizza in a minute, while more toppings need an additional 30 seconds. Even when baking multiple pizzas back-to-back, each had evenly melted cheese and perfectly cooked toppings. At these high temperatures, you have to turn the pizza every 20 seconds or it'll burn. It takes practice, but it's easy to make pizzas once you do, and we found that a smaller peel helps. Going beyond pizza, we used it to cook whole fish, steak, lamb chops, pineapple, tomatoes, corn, sweet potatoes, beets, and other veggies, and we're happy with all of the results. And that's the full menu. No more guesswork, just perfect, professional-grade pizza from your own backyard or kitchen. Ready to become the pizza hero of your family? All the links to get your hands on these top-rated ovens, plus any exclusive discounts we've negotiated, are waiting for you in the video description below. If this review saved you from a doughy disaster and got you excited for pizza night, support the channel, hit that like button, share this video with your pizza-loving crew, and subscribe for more content that separates culinary fact from fiction. Next week, we're putting expensive chef's knives against a $30 supermarket knife, and the results will cut deep.